Hey guys, Mr. Seckler here. So this is Robot C Rules Trainer. So this is how you're going to learn to code in the program Robot C. So how it works is you're going to start by reading the assignment, and you're going to work on modifying the code, which means changing it, kind of like error analysis. Now obviously you don't know how to change it yet. I haven't taught that. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to look for what are the specific requirements of this challenge. Now over here it says modify the code below, which is over here on lines 1 through 5, so that task main follows the correct format in capitalization. So our specific requirements are that task main follows some correct format and some correct capitalization rules, which right now is not right. So compile program over here means check my work, and as of right now you can see that it's not right. So in order to change this, we're going to have to read the background information off here to the left. So robots are made to solve specific problems. You can read all this to figure out what you need to do. So down here, it shows you that task main is important because it is used to define the main task of the robots. In other words, without this, it doesn't know that there's code. It's kind of like the start button. When you include it in one of your programs, you must follow this exact format and capitalization, task main. So take a look at the difference over here, and you may notice that the T and the M are different. So we're going to have to change that. So over here, we're going to delete the uppercase T, which is currently in black, and we type in lowercase t. It's going to turn blue colorized, which means it now understands it. Same thing with main. We're going to do the lowercase, compile program. Oh, look, it's still wrong. So as of right now, we've corrected the format for the capitalization, but we don't have the entire correct format as it's currently still wrong. So what's the difference? Well, if you look at lines 2 and 5 over here, we have a parentheses. And if you look over here, this is a curly bracket. So this curly bracket over here is going to have to be replaced on lines 2 and 5 over here. So I'm going to delete the parentheses, add the curly bracket, put this back on line 5, and we're good to go. So this is how you follow the specific requirements. You do the background research, and when you move on, you click the next button, and you will go back to the next challenge over here, which is challenge number 2. If you ever want to go back, you can just flip through them. You don't have to specifically go to it because it's not going to save, but you can flip through the different challenges on the left. Once you finish the first 8 challenges, you're going to then go back to where it says Cortex, and you guys will move on to Movement Fundamentals. There are another 8 challenges here, and once you finish all 8 of both Movement and Robot C, you are ready to do the real life coding, which is the real life Labyrinth challenge. Have fun, guys.